Good evening all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 9 June 2022 and today's bio topic name is subqueries of SQL. So let's discuss about. The subquery is a very important part of a SQL. The SQL queries are included nested inside a larger query. A subquery may occur in such as a select clause, a from clause, a where clause. Then the subquery can be nested inside a selector, insert, update or delete the statement or inside another subquery. A subquery is usually added with the where clause of another SQL select statement. Then you can use the comparison operators such as um, greater than operator, less than operator, equal to operator. In this operator, the comparison operator can also be a multiple row operator such as in operator, any operator or all operator. Then a subquery is also called a inner query. Your uh, or inner select while the statement connecting a subquery is also called another query or outer select. The inner query executes first. The inner query are executes first before its parent query, so that the result of an inner query can be passed to the outer query. The such queries are used in SQL. Then the subqueries are can be used within the selector, insert, update and delete statements are included. Um, the insert, update and delete statements along with the operators uses some operators like equal operator, greater than operator, smaller than operator, greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to operator, in operator, between operator, etc. are included. There are a few rules that subqueries such as first one is a subquery must be enclosed with parenthesis. It is also required to enclosed within the parenthesis. Then next one is a subquery can have only one column in the select clause unless multiple columns um, are in the main query for the subquery to compare. Its selected columns are used. Then next one is an ordered by command connect to be used in the subquery through the main query like as used to order by query. The group by command then be used to perform the same function as the order by in a subquery. Uh, then the order by query are used within the subqueries that returns more than one row can be only be used within the multiple values operators such is the in operator are also used in multiple value operators. Then the select list cannot include any references values. It is does not require references values. It is evaluate to a array, uh, array, clock, NCLOB, etc. A subquery cannot be immediately enclosed. It is does not immediately enclosed in a set function. The between operator cannot be used within the subquery. That's all about subqueries. I hope you can understand. Thank you.